Today, we're gonna hit the top 3 first aid kits for any budget. Roll tape. OutdoorGoyo.com is a free packing list generator to use on your next adventure. Just put your destinations, dates, activities you're gonna be doing, and we create a custom packing list based on local weather, so you'll always be prepared. Within that list, we provide hand-picked product recommendations for any budget. So be sure to head to OutdoorGoyo.com to be prepared and stay inspired. All right, first on the list is the bang for the buck. Let's do this. This is a cheap option that does not sacrifice too much quality. We're getting in the range of like $12 to $13 for a first aid kit. It's super small, you can pack it anywhere. This kit contains a wide variety of medications to treat pain, inflammation, and common allergies. It's small enough to fit in your pack if you just have like a day pack, but it's light enough to bring everywhere. So there's no excuse not to bring this. There's also a little bit of room to put your own items, which everybody should customize their own first aid kit. If you have questions about how to customize yours, how I have customized mine myself, be sure to check out the video tagged above. Okay, stepping up a little bit in price and a little bit in quality, and what you're provided here with this kit is getting the Goyo seal approval. This is the first aid only is the name of the company, and this is their small kit. It's claimed to have 299 pieces. It's kind of crazy when they count all of these things because about 200 of them are probably bandages, but it's most of the things that you would need in a small kit like this. It's labeled really well and it weighs a little over a pound. So coming in around $19, $20, this is a great little kit to take with you for most little short hikes or even to keep in your car. All right, let's jump into the best or the pick of the litter. Ow! This is the Adventure Medical Ultralight Watertight 0.7. Now they have a couple of different versions depending on how much you need in there. There's a 0.9 and so on, but the 0.7 is a great balance between quality and functionality. It's also great to have that lightweight and watertight ability. All of the packets inside the main compartment are also watertight, so it can hold up to just about anything you can throw at it, including water sports. For this, we give it the pick of the litter. All right, everyone, that is it for the top 3 choices of first aid kits for any budget. Hope you find one that you like. The affiliate links are below. Again, stop by OutdoorGoyo.com to create your own packing list and see these recommendations in your packing list. Now I'll end with a short story. Even getting a small little pouch with a few things in that is going to make or break a trip if someone gets hurt or even just a minor injury. For example, I went to a wedding, and because I have Band-Aids in my wallet all the time, the bride, when she cut her finger and there was red blood around a white dress, she freaked out, and I just pulled out my Band-Aid, we wrapped it around her finger, and she went on dancing on the dance floor. So it was really great to have a Band-Aid handy. You never know when you're gonna need one, but you're always grateful that you have them. With that, Outdoor Goyo out. You ready, you ready, you ready, you're live. You ready, you ready, you ready, you ready, you're live. You're live, 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 you're live. Ow!